HVAC people. Got that blower motor taken out of there. Let's see the heater. Clean them heater element. This has got to be the best pulley out there. The force. See how deep that shaft is? Look how that's set right down there. I'm recording with my phone. I ain't gonna show you can take it out, but every one of these, the force, it takes it off with ease. But just one solid piece. You got a bunch of parts with it. Good with for a condenser fan motor. 3 screws. I'm gonna tighten. Show you how easy that is. Can't do it with one hand. One thing you gotta be very, very careful with these right here, because I've done them before. Make sure you don't put these screws in your set screw hole. If you tighten it up on the set screw hole, it's gonna strip it out. And you'll never get that screw back in there to tighten up the shaft on your new motor. Like I say, that's the set screw hole right there. Make sure never to tighten that screw inside that hole. I always double check. Make sure you're off of it. Cause this screw right here, set screw, you'll never be able to get it back in there. You'll mess the threads up on it. Alright, like I say, go out and get you the force. It's the best one, I'm telling you. Just one part. You ain't gotta worry about losing a bunch of parts. Like I said, I got mine. I'm about to. Must have got wet. That's the force. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go find this motor.